Good morning from Munnar. We are going to start our trek very soon from there.
At the, how will I say, chai ka bagan.
Life is short, the world is wide. You all better get started.
We are here in Munnar, Seven Hills Tea Plantation. It's so beautiful. I would really want to show you.
Away from the city life, exploring the natural beauty that lies in the lap of Western Ghats of Kerala. I am in the middle of lush green grassland, able to find peace and calmness. Grasping the charming sight of the beautiful hills, here goes the perfect setting for the adventurous trekking expedition. It's so beautiful. Through my vlogs, I want to inspire people to hike, to make choices and to do the things that makes you happy. ये डेस्टिनी भी क्या चीज़ है ना? From Nepal to UAE and now exploring God's own country. I am having a delightful trekking experience covering the Lakshmi Hills tea plantation of Munnar. Keep supporting my YouTube channel Health Hike and Chill. Hit the subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.
Today we are doing Seven Hills trek, and that's the summit with the cross one. We're gonna reach there soon. Come on, come on, come on.
towards our big dreams. Let's move slowly, enjoying every step along the way. Let's cherish all those little steps that make the journey complete.
ये है मुन्नार का चाय बागान। हम क्या क्या आए हैं वो व्हाट वाज दैट नेचर्स जोन एंड देन वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ट्री हाउसेस थे। It was so beautiful and still so beautiful greenery। मजे आ रहे हैं ना। Today's trek 7 hills is 11 kilometer long. We have already completed up to 7. Rest, we are going through this old tea plantation. Look at the view. किसको चाय चाहिए? चाय पत्ती मेरे को ऑर्डर करो, ठीक है? मैं लेके आती हूँ। Only 25 और 30 किलो अलाउ है। ज़्यादा ऑर्डर मत करना।